Hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to use Wikipedia correctly. You know Wikipedia, people say, oh, Wikipedia is not reliable, don't use Wikipedia, like all that stuff, all that BS. Well, I'm just gonna search up, let's say, volcano, right? People like say, oh, you can like edit these, like all that stuff, all that good stuff, like all that stuff, right? People say that, right? Well, this is a tutorial on how to use Wikipedia. And also, you think that people can like edit these, right? They can edit it, but for like these big topics like volcano, right? They can't edit it. Like there's nothing up here that says up, up, like edit, all that stuff. So how do you use this? Like this is not in its own words. Like this is from like these are from sources. But like how do I go to these sources? You see these things, right? See these things, right? Go here. This is one of the sources. Click on this and it will direct you to the source. References are the sources of this entire article. You can go to the references by going from up here, going all the way down here. So technically, if your teacher's ever said Wikipedia, don't use Wikipedia, it's wrong, like they edited, don't listen to them. Like they're talking, they aren't even correct. Like you can use Wikipedia, just use it correctly. Don't use it like that. If you're writing a report and you need to find the sources, don't say Wikipedia as a source. Like you have to go down to the references down here and you have to say these are the sources. These what I highlight are the sources. All these stuff are the good stuff, are the sources. That's what you want to find. Wikipedia is not hard to use. Just use it correctly. Like, there's nothing else I could really say about that. Just use it correctly. And, yeah. That's about it. I have nothing else to say.